Lindy with lindyscards.com. I am so glad you were able to join me today. We are going to be creating a card using Art Gallery from Stampin' Up. It's a very pretty stamp set, very versatile, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get going. Hi, it's Lindy Deppie with lindyscards.com. I am here to show you a quick and easy birthday card. And if you're like me, you never have enough birthday cards. So let's go ahead and get started. How to make a quick and easy birthday card. 8.5 by 11. Cut in half, 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. The next layer is 5 1/4 by 4, and then our base layer, which is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. The stamp set we're using today is Art Gallery by Stampin' Up. So let's get busy. All right, let's go ahead and start. The inks that we're going to be using today: Highland Heather and Gorgeous Grape. Let's start with the lighter color, Highland Heather. We are also going to be doing some two-step stamping. Let me do it this way. So pay close attention. In this stamp, you want to make sure that you use the lightest color here. So it goes lightest, lighter, and then we're going to use this little image right here, and that's darker. Or darkest, I should say. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, ink this up. So I'm going to go ahead, ink up my ink pad, set that aside. I'm going to stamp off on some scrap paper, and then I'm going to stamp this image right there. Okay. Now for the second image. Now I stamped off on that one. Now for the second image I'm going to go in with Highland Heather full strength. And I'm going to stamp this right on top. Give it a good press. There you go. Okay. Next, for the tiny little inside bits, we're going to use Gorgeous Grape for this one. Ink that up and then line it up as best I can. There you go. Very simple. The next image I'm going to use, and one thing that I love about photopolymer stamps is you can see right through them. So if you can see right through it, oops, you can see right through it, so I'm only going to ink up the flowers. Okay? And I'm going to ink that up with Highland Heather. And I only inked up the flower parts. I'll stamp that right underneath there. Okay. I'm going to grab the inside stamp as well and just oops, use the wrong color. Stamp those with the darker purple. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean off my stamp set because I'm going to be using Garden Green. And here I just want to get like the little green bit. So I'm going to go in very carefully. Just ink the stem up. Line it up once more. And there you go. Very pretty. For the happy birthday, I'm going to go ahead and use the Gorgeous Scrape mat. Happy birthday. All right, now we're just going to assemble our card using Tombow glue. So we're going to take out our rhinestones. And with our little handy dandy picker tool from Stampin' Up, oops, lost one. Oop, there it is. Okay, there you go. All right. Now be sure when you do your card that you also finish it by doing the inside.